looks cool. Everything's so realistic.
All hands on deck. Stand on. Yard man aloft. Into the foot ropes. Furl the top gallants.
Is he
Down
gone?
with the flying jib. Make ready the bow anchor.
That's the reason.
Stand by all lines. Stand by the bow line, port side. Let go the bow anchor. Let go the cage. Crew, it's been a pleasure serving with.
Once again, please not touch, play, or lean on that black shutting pin at the front. Right hand side of the ship, back cannon is live and working. And it's proper demonstrated later in our journey. Number 2, please not place yourself the middle ones. The outside railings of the ship. Anything that falls overboard
Someone
will
said it was
in fact be
downstairs.
staying overboard. And now here are a few words from our captain.
Welcome aboard, crew. This be the captain
Is there
speaking.
downstairs to this?
There is.
Before we
You
get
can't see out of it, but
you should know
the
that we
stairs in
have
the
a
middle
few
of the ship.
rules
Oh, okay.
upon this ship. For a safe voyage, there may be no
Once again, rule number 1, please not touch the cannon at the front. Right hand on the ship, that cannon is real. Able to be fired off later in the voyage.
at all times. The waters be cold and deep, and our crew cannot swim us through the paddock under the watchful eye of the crew.
Atención marineros, para que tengan un viaje seguro, no se sienten ni sienten a sus hijos en las barandillas exteriores. Asegúrense de vigilar a sus hijos y absténganse de fumar. Gracias.
Now look lively, mates, for we are sailing with the tide, and the tide waits for no one.